To create this design, you need to add a simple plane and then rotate this plane into the 90 degree as like this. After that, you need to duplicate that plane and then move it little bit along the y-axis. Then go to the edit mode and select its bottom words and then delete them. Select this edge and move it along the z-axis in this way. You can scale it down that edge. Then select these words and E to extrude it and then move it in this way. You need to create that structure. And easily you can do this by moving and adjusting the position of the words. Then one more time select these words and then E to extrude it and move it along the y-axis. So we will get this kind of structure. It's a wired structure. Then select these corner words and then Ctrl B, add bevel on them. Add 4 to 5 segment bevel as like this. So we will get a fillet form at there and that curved structure. That looks really well. After that, select everything and then take the symmetry along the x-axis. Now it looks really well. And we got the basic form at there. Then you need to add the curved circle. And then scale it down that circle. Then you need to select this edge and you need to convert it into the curve. And then go to the curve properties and then geometry, bevel option, object and that Bezier circle. Then you can adjust the scale of the circle, so you can adjust the scale of your pipe, you can say. And decrease the resolution of that Bezier circle. You will get this kind of form, which looks really well. Now you need to convert it into the mesh and then delete that Bezier circle. Then just add more topology on the model and you can play with the form to create your design. I've just selected few faces and then E to extrude it along their normal and then I started to create that design. It's very easy. With the help of simple modeling operations, you can create this kind of design. So what is the conclusion of this modeling process? It's very simple. If you are going to model this kind of form with the curve, then it is very difficult to handle those curves. But with the help of mesh objects, means with the edge or words, you can create this kind of form easily. Just need to convert them then into the curve. So you will get the right form. It's very simple. So in this way you can create this kind of model. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, then hit that like button and subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye bye. So next video. Take care.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long.